Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer coins from Binance to Trezor. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is have your Trezor hardware, and then what you need to do is have the latest version of the Trezor suite as well. Now once you do that, what you need to do is connect your Trezor device by simply unlocking the pin and then connecting it to your PC through the given cable. And once you do that, here on your Trezor device, what you need to do is access the menu, and right beside the search bar there is a plus icon. Simply click on that, and once you click on that, here you will be sent to the coins list. Now all you gotta do is select the coin that you want, and once you click on that coin, you'll be directed to the page where you can copy the wallet address and then copy the tag as well. And once you do that, here what you need to do is open up your Binance, and then what you need to do is select or click on wallet on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then click on withdraw. And once you do that, here what you need to do is select the crypto that you want, and then all you gotta do is enter the details. And what you need to do is check the entire confirmation order for any of the mistakes, and then once you are done with that, click on confirm. And once you click on confirm, here what you need to do is click on confirm or complete the transfer by confirming it on your Trezor device as well. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.